Hi guys, today we're going to be unboxing the Chrome Pro Motorsports iGel battery. This is the 4LBS size. I buy a lot of ATV pit bike batteries for my business back here, and this is the model I always use. I bought a lot of different kinds and I always end up coming back to this one. Let's open this thing up and check it out. Alright, so this does come with an 18-month warranty. The big trick for these batteries is to keep them charged and never drain them completely, and they last for a long time. So if you do drain them completely dead, sometimes that will kill them, but if you keep up with your batteries, these are great. I've had a lot of similar batteries and they just die after a couple months. But some of these I've had in my dirt bikes for 2 years or more and they're still going strong. So, all right, so one of the best features about this is it has this little display here. So once you turn it on, it gives you the current charge level of your battery and the voltage output of it, which is really nice. You can tell without hooking any tools or anything up to it, you can tell right away how charged your battery is. And it will also beep if it's dying. There's a couple different settings on here for checking things. It gives you the date that you first turned your battery on, so like when you bought it, so you can keep track, you know, how old is your battery. Let's see what else came in here. So this is an iGel battery. All right, here we got some paperwork with the features, going over how they build it. But yeah, definitely a good quality build. I know from experience, I've used these a lot. You can push this button to give you the working date. There we go, I just started day 1, so we know how long I've had this. Your voltage output, and then it does give a beep. It says once your battery starts to die. So you know if you go up to your, if your battery's dying, it'll beep, and you know before you get out, to a trail or something to ride and figure out your battery's dead, then you would have already known because it was giving you a warning. So that's a really nice feature. But yeah, the reason I always go with these is the reliability. They just hold up really well compared to the other ones, and this little LCD screen is really handy for checking your battery status. But definitely check this battery out, highly recommended. And I've used this battery in many different size ATVs, even some like bigger four-wheelers and stuff, which should call for a larger size battery, but I still use this one. It has plenty of power to turn over some bigger engines. I've used it in even like lawnmowers and stuff, and it works for that. It is a little small for some of that stuff, but it does work if you're looking for just a quick battery that's a good option to put in there. So yeah, definitely check this battery out, and yeah, thanks for watching.